വെൽക്കം ടു എഡീന അക്കാഡമി. എഡീന അക്കാഡമിയുടെ പുതിയ വീഡിയോയിലേക്ക് ഏവർക്കും സ്വാഗതം. മദർബോർഡ്. A motherboard is a primary printed circuit board (PCB) inside a computer that connects all hardware components and enables communication among them. It acts as the central backbone of the computer system. Without a motherboard, the CPU, RAM, storage device, graphics card, and peripherals cannot communicate with each other. Motherboard acts as a central backbone of the computer system. Next, we have to know definitions of the motherboard. A motherboard is an electronic circuit board that holds the major component of a computer, provides electrical connections between components, controls communication and power distribution, allows expansion and upgrading of the system. Why it is called motherboard? It is called the motherboard because it is a main board to which all the components are attached. Other smaller boards, daughter boards, connect to it. It controls and coordinates all devices. Structure of a motherboard. A motherboard consists of copper circuit traces, electronic chips, slots and connectors, power circuits. Cooling components. The board is usually made of fiberglass layers, copper conducting path, insulating materials. Main component of a motherboard. 1. CPU socket. The CPU socket is the place where the processor is installed. Functions. Physically hosts CPU, provides electrical connection to motherboard, allows data transfer between CPU and other devices. Types of CPU sockets. Intel sockets. LGA 1151, LGA 1200, LGA 1700. AMD sockets. AM4, AM5. Important points. A motherboard supports only specific processor types. Chipset. The chipset is a traffic controller of the motherboard. It manages communication between CPU, RAM, storage, USB devices, graphics devices. Traditional chipset architecture. Earlier motherboards had north bridge is connected CPU, RAM, graphics card. Handled high speed communication. Next one is south bridge connected USB, SATA, BIOS, audio, network devices. Handled slower communication. Northern bridges handled high speed communication. South bridge handled slower communication. Modern chipset architecture. Modern system integrated north bridge functions into the CPU itself. Now the chipset mainly handles USB port, storage controllers, peripheral communication, RAM slot, DIMM slot, DIMM slot, RAM slot to hold memory modules function. Temporary storage for running program and active data. Types of RAM supported DDR3, DDR4, DDR5. Features dual channel memory, quad channel memory, ECC memory support. DDR3 dual channel memory, DDR4 quad channel memory, DDR5 ECC memory support. Servers, it used in servers. BIOS or UEFI. BIOS, basic input output system, stored in a ROM chip. Functions: initialize hardware, start boot process, check system devices, loads operating system. Post power on self-test when computer starts. BIOS checks CPU, checks RAM, detect keyboard, detect storage devices, report hardware errors. UEFI, modern replacement for BIOS. Advantage: faster boot, mouse support, large disk support, better security, graphical interface. Next, expansion slot. Used to add extra hardware components. PCI, peripheral component interconnect. PCI Express, PCIe. PC peripheral component interconnect, older expansion slot, PCI Express, PCIe, modern high speed slot. PCIe versions: PCIe 3.0, PCIe 4.0, PCIe 5.0. Devices connected: graphics card, Wi-Fi card, sound card, capture card, SSD adapters. These are connected in PCI Express. Storage connectors. SATA port. Connect hard disk drivers. VRM, voltage regulator module. VRM controls voltage supply to CPU and RAM. Functions: convert high voltage to safe voltage, stabilizes power supply, important for gaming and overclocking. Better VRM means stable performance, better overclocking, lower heat. Next, CMOS battery. Small coin-shaped battery. Complementary metal oxide. Functions of CMOS battery. Store BIOS settings. Maintain system clock. Saves date and time. If battery fails, time resets. BIOS settings lost. Turn input output port. Rear ports for external devices. Common ports. Port. Then function is described. USB. Function keyboard, mouse, pen drive. Is connected using USB port. HDMI port. Video output. VGA port. Older display connection. Ethernet port is used to connect, used for internet connection or network connection. Audio jack speakers or microphone. PS2, old keyboard or mouse. Cooling system. Motherboard generate heat sink, metal component that absorb heat. Fan headers, connect cooling fans. Liquid cooling headers, support advanced cooling system. Buses in motherboard. A bus is a communication pathway. Database, transfer data. Address bus, transfers memory address. Control bus, transfer control signals. Next, clock generator. Synchronizes all operations measured in megahertz, gigahertz. Controls timing of CPU, RAM, chipset. Integrated components. Motherboard components may include audio card, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, Ethernet controller, graphics support. Integrated components. Modern motherboard may include audio card, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, Ethernet controller, graphics support. Form factors of motherboard. ATX. Standard motherboard size ATX ആണ്. Features. More expansion slot is available. Better cooling, gaming friendly. Micro ATX, smaller version of ATX. Features. Budget friendly, fewer slot. Mini ATX, mini ITX. Third one, mini ITX. Very small motherboard, used in compact PCs, home theater PCs. Motherboard layers. Modern motherboard contain multiple layers. Layers include signal layers, ground layer, power layer. More layers, better signal quality, better stability. How motherboard works. Step by step process. Step 1. Power on. Power supply sends electricity. Step 2. BIOS starts. BIOS installs hardware. Step 3. Post. Hardware checking occurs. Step 4. CPU initialization. Processor start execution. Step 5. RAM activation. Memory becomes active. Step 6. Device detection. Storage and peripheral detected. Step 7. Bootloader. Operating system loads. Step 8. System ready. User can use the computer. Types of motherboard. Desktop motherboard used in personal computers. Laptop motherboard, compact and integrated. Server motherboard support multiple CPUs, ECC RAM, high reliability. Gaming motherboard features better VRM, RGB lighting, high-speed RAM support, advanced cooling. Important technologies: overclocking, increase CPU or RAM speed beyond default, requires strong VRM, good cooling. RAID support combines multiple storage drives, RAID pseudo faster speed, RAID 1 data backup, TPM Trusted Platform Module, security chip for encryption, Windows security. Common motherboard problems: no power. Possible causes: fault PSU, damaged motherboard, no display. Possible causes: RAM issue, GPU issue, BIOS issue. Overheating cause poor cooling. Boot failure cause corrupted BIOS. Storage problem. Advantage of motherboard: central communication hub, support upgrades. Provides integrated features, enables multitasking, support high-speed communication. Disadvantages: failure affect whole system, compatibility issues, expensive repairs, limited upgrade path in some board. Simple motherboard layout. Comparison between ATX, Micro ATX and Mini ATX. Feature: size large, ATX size is large. In Micro ATX size is medium. Mini ITX size is small. Next, expansion slots. ATX, in ATX more slot available. Micro ATX moderate slots. Mini ATX few. Cooling: ATX is better. Micro ATX is average. Mini ATX is limited. Cost: ATX is high. Micro ATX medium. Mini ATX medium. Usage: gaming, workstation. Micro ATX is used in home PC. Mini ATX is used in compact PC. Conclusion: motherboard is the most important circuit board in a computer system. It acts as the communication center, connecting CPU, RAM, storage device, graphics card, and peripherals. The efficiency, upgradability, and stability of a computer largely depend on the motherboard's design, chipset, power delivery system, and supported technologies. Thanks for watching my channel. Thanks for watching my videos. എഡീനെ അക്കാഡമിയുടെ ചാനൽ ഇതുവരെ സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്തിട്ടില്ലെങ്കിൽ ചാനൽ സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യുക. ഒപ്പം ബെൽ ബട്ടൺ പ്രസ് ചെയ്യുക. പുതിയ വീഡിയോസ് അപ്ലോഡ് ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ തന്നെ നോട്ടിഫിക്കേഷനിൽ പുതിയ വീഡിയോസ് അപ്ലോഡ് ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ തന്നെ നോട്ടിഫിക്കേഷൻ ലഭിക്കുന്നതാണ്. അഭിപ്രായങ്ങളും നിർദ്ദേശങ്ങളും ഡൗട്ടുകളും കമൻ്റായി രേഖപ്പെടുത്തുക. ചാനൽ സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യുന്നതിനൊപ്പം തന്നെ ബെൽ ബട്ടൺ പ്രസ് ചെയ്യുക. ചാനൽ വീഡിയോസ് എല്ലാം തന്നെ ലൈക്ക് ചെയ്യുക, ഷെയർ ചെയ്യുക, സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യുക. Thank you for watching my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. Thank you.